a lot of responsibility placed on you. People here will help you through all of the challenges you're going to face. I'll tell you, the other thing that you're going to see here is how we focus on your professional development. It is a big part of what we do. You need to be able to take what you do in the classroom and translate it into the real world when you get out. And we do a great job, and you'll hear a lot about that today.